Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to enlarge font size on Chrome on an Android device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. Well, first thing first, please open Google Chrome on your device. After that, here you can click on three dots at the top right corner. Okay, and then please select Settings option. Well, and then here you can scroll down, and then you can select Accessibility option. Well, and then to enlarge font size on Chrome page, you can drag this button like this until you can read the text comfortably. Well, that's the tutorial on how to enlarge font size on Chrome page on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.